Now another town hall meeting where the governor they have where the governor they get with Igangan people. So now the signboard be this Igangan town hall meeting. So now where see the town hall see the town hall. So them dey the governor and some important people them dey inside though where the meeting dey go on. In fact, people still dey para dem dey para unto say dem no want dis Fulani people again for their area. See the banner wey dem do. But my people more na no vex o. Na the network. You know say this Ibarapa na mostly rural area, so the network no too dey solid like that, so more na no vex as the thing dey break. So I bin dey show you people one banner before. See wetin the people see the banner wey dem write for wey dem drop for the front of the town hall meeting say end Fulani brutality in Ibarapa land. We have bled enough. End these killings now. They say make dem end this killing o. Say make the anti-grazing law wey the state get, say make dem make am dey make the thing dey work. Dem say enough of all this, say dem no want all this thing again. So na the banner wey dey in front of the town hall meeting where the governor dey meet with the people of the town. Na im be this o. Na so to people sef still plenty wey dem wan hear wetin oga patapata wan tell dem o. So na there they dey so for the Igangan town hall meeting. People dem dey law abiding, dem no fight, nobody do anything. But wetin dem just want be say dem say make oga governor do something. Make we do something about these Fulani people. The rate at which these Fulani people dey kill their people. Say if this one don do, say dem no go take am anymore. The thing dey vex them, but as dem dey so, dem no even fight, dem no quarrel, dem no do anything. Dem just dey lis ten to wetin dey go on inside. That's people just take gathered for the venue where the meeting dey go on. So I fit tell una today say since yesterday evening wey oga governor don come Ibarapa, as governor enter Ibarapa yesterday, he firstly do town hall meeting for Igboora, and today again he don enter Idere, and now in the Igangan where be the major problem for Ibarapa land, where Fulani they always attack them. So na there dem dey the meeting sef still dey go on. So the meeting still dey go on. So you see Amotekun, yes, people confirm say Amotekun they don send more Amotekun to the area. You can see some of them like this. Even for as we want take enter Igangan, we dey see some of them on the road where they patrol. So we just want make permanent solution dey for these killings wey dey always happen for the area every day. So as e be so, oga governor na him dey talk inside. E dey inside, e dey talk, and you know say as these people say PG.
Ṣé kámẹ́rà ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ sí kámẹ́rà fún?
Okay, wetin you wan? Baba you interpret. Ẹ ní láti dárúkọ yín, nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ náà ní kẹ́ sọ. Ẹ má dárúkọ. Why? Wetin happen? Why, sir? Why? He say dem no want Fulani again. He say na the Fulani people dem dey always kidnap. He say Kajola. He say no farmers dey for Kajola again. He say dem no want Fulani again. He say make dem tell Oga Presido. He say dem no want Fulani again. See this man. Please, man, and watch this thing. See as dem cut, dem say na Fulani cut him hand o. Shey una dey see am so? See the hand, see the hand. Dem say na Fulani.
Fulani ló bá ayé wọn jẹ́ báyìí o.
He say na Fulani cut.
Ó ní owó méjì ni wọ́n fi ń drive kò sí nǹkan kan mọ́.
Dem say na Fulani do this thing to this man like this o. Say when he go in farm, na so dem take attack am.
Wọ́n kìlọ̀ màmá mi, Fulani pa wo wọn tán. Màmí Fulani wọ́n kìlọ̀, wọ́n jẹ́ mi.
He say na Fulani dem wan kill him as he come struggle.
Wọ́n pa bàbá mi.
He say dem don kill him father.
Mother.
He say dem kill him mother.
One person.
He say dem kill other people too. He say but him he survive, but see him hand now, see as him hand take be o. He say dem don cut am. Say as him dey so him get car wey him dey drive.
Hand. Dey for Salu Seriki. Hand. Dey for Salu Seriki.
He say this hand wey dem cut, the part wey dem cut, e dey for Salu Seriki's hand o. Kí ni evidence ẹ ní pé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló wà? Ọwọ́ yẹn wà lọ́wọ́. He say the hand dey for that Seriki people. The Seriki say make him release the hand o. Yes, he say as him dey so, him dey drive car before him dey drive motor with him two hands. He say but as dem don cut him hand, he say na Seriki Salu cut him hand o. He say the hand, the remaining part of that hand, e dey for Seriki hand o. He say so make dem buy am another hand o, so that him go dey do wetin say him go fit dey do wetin he dey do before as he dey do before. Na so people still dey here wey dem dey express their frustration about the activities of Fulani herdsmen for Ibarapa land. Say every time, every day, na from one day na one trouble o. So they say make the presido Oga Muhammadu Buhari, wey be the Oga patapata, wey be the president of Nigeria, and Oga Gomina Seyi Makinde, make them find solution to this issue. Say if the thing don reach where we be say they no fit take am anymore. So that's the situation. The people na the thing wey dem dey talk be this. So dem dey talk with one voice. Say no more all these Fulani herdsmen wey dey carry gun, wey dey carry cutlasses, dey threaten them for their farmland. They say they no want them anymore. They say they no want them again. Say they no want them again. So they appeal to president or then they appeal to government, even local government chairman, all of them, all their leaders say make them find solution to this issue. So now then they see there people still gathered for every side of the town hall of meeting. They say no more Fulani. Say, Oga, what? There's nothing again. There's nothing again. Where are? No more Fulani. Okay, you no more Fulani. You don't want Fulani again. Okay, so you don't hear what people they talk. They say all. Okay, then say all these people with this section of people say they pursue them for their farm. Now say they don't fit go their farm again. They say they don't fit go their farm again. Say now, they say they don't see this footman papa. He say no fit. He say they don't fit. He no fit sleep for farm again. They don't fit sleep for farm again. He say this Fulani people, this elders, they carry gun and they carry arrow. They carry what? Is it na AK-47? Now they carry o. Say na AK-47 they carry. Make Buhari come save them o. Say make Buhari come. Is that Seyi Makinde too? Make him too come save them o. He say they dey powerless, so they no get power of their own to solve am. Say na Oga Gomina na him go solve. Sir. Say they are trouble too much. So na so it just be o, na so it just be o. They say they no want. Say wait, sir.
And we don't want them any longer.
They don't want them anymore.
Yes, we don't want them anymore. Let them go away.
But now when Nigeria people they always talk about that.
We want Nigeria the same, but we don't want them in our environment again. We don't want them again. We don't want them again.
But ṣé constitution sọ wípé nígbà tí wàá lẹ́tọ̀ àti lé wọn.
He say when constitution talk say we no get right to constitution. He say so constitution say make them dey kill us, make them dey kill them abi. He say ṣé Oga Governor Makinde no hear since all these days. Say that they kill and they kidnap for them. He say they say Wakili don't. They say Wakili no allow them stay for their farm again. Okay. He say they don't talk wetin they want talk. Say na so.
And we are said we are one Nigeria.
Yes.
We said we are one Nigeria.
Yes.
Is it true that we are one Nigeria? It is not true. Of course.
Wetin make you talk like that, sir?
Okay, we are one Nigeria. So Yoruba dey there, Hausa dey there, Igbo dey there, and they are killing us. They are killing Yoruba. And we are saying we are one Nigeria. Is it true? So Hausa Bele yìí, Fulani Bele yìí, yes. Lóde tí wọ́n fi sọ pé Fulani kan kó máa lọ. Ṣé wọ́n rí ìwà wọn ni?
He say na why they talk say make Fulani dey go. He say na because of their behaviour. Say na because of their behaviour. Say Hausa dey here now, other people, other tribes, Ibira, all of them dey stay here.
Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́.
He say this thing don dey happen tey.
Àwa sí Ìbàdàn.
He say they come Ibadan.
Nígbà wọn pa Dr. Aborode.
When Dr. Aborode was killed.
So àbá gómìnà nílé níjọ́
He
náà.
say governor no dey around.
Deputy ló yọjú sí wa.
He say na deputy.
Àtìmáyé náà sọ pé àfẹ́ kára àfẹ́ kiri mọ́. Síbẹ̀ náà kò yí padà àgbà tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ tí wọ́n tún gbé àwọn èèyàn tó ń gbé àwọn èèyàn.
He say despite all the protests wey dem carry go governor's office for Ibadan wey dem talk dem report wetin Fulani dem do. He say still that thing no stop, dem still continue. Na that time sef their power come dey strong more.
We don't want them again.
Una dey hear so.
Àfẹ́ Fulani mọ́.
He say dem no want Fulani again o.
Ní Ìbàràpá o.
For Ibarapa.
Àfẹ́.
He say dem no want.
Ní Gàngàn.
He say for Igogo.
Àfẹ́.
Dem no want Fulani again.
Àfẹ́ mọ́.
He say dem no want Fulani again o for Igogo, even for whole Ibarapa land.
For whole Ìbàràpá land. We don't want Fulani again.
He say make dem dey go there. But shey you people no think say as you people talk say una no want them here. What of the Yoruba wey dey for their own land too? Nígbà tí wọ́n sọ pé kí àwọn Fúlàní náà kan kúrò bíbá ẹ̀, àwọn Yorùbá náà tó wá wà ní ilẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ wọn.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó padà wá sílé. Ẹ jẹ́ kó máa padà wọlé. Ẹ jẹ́ kó máa padà wọlé. Eléyìí tó bá wálé lọ́dọ̀ gbé ọba dùn ọ̀pọ̀ rẹ̀. Kó máa padà bọ̀.
Ẹ sọ fún mi pé tí wọ́n bá tẹ́ nílẹ̀ báyìí. Tí wọ́n bá gbọ́ pé káfẹ́ gbẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ̀ mọ́, àmọ́ kẹ́ni Yorùbá tó wà mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ padà wálé.
Yorùbá tó wà mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ padà wálé.
Fúlàní tó wà bí kò lọ lú ẹ̀.
I say Yoruba for Hausa land, they no dey kidnap, they no dey do all this kind thing.
Ask one question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ẹ ní àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà ní ọ̀hún. So pé ṣé káwọn náà wálé mi? I'm coming.
Okay.
So ṣé àwọn Yorùbá tó wà lọ́hùn ṣé wọ́n ń pa wọ́n?
He say ṣé Yoruba wey dey for north say ṣé Yoruba dey kidnap, Yoruba dey kill for north? Na the question wey dey ask me be that.
So Yorùbá ò pa wọ́n lọ.
He say Yoruba no dey kill for north, dem no dey kidnap.
Even tí nǹkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀.
He say even if something happen.
Yorùbá ò ní ẹnu lọ́hùn.
He say Yoruba no get mouth
Àwọn Yorùbá wọn máa target ilé tí wọ́n ń gbé.
He say they go target where Yoruba people dey live.
So àfẹ́ wọn mọ́.
He say no, so they no want
Let them go.
Make them go. No, na wetin people dey talk o, na the thing the way dem want be that. Ṣé ẹ ti sọ fún gómìnà náà? Kí ni gómìnà ṣé lórí pé kàn lọ iná kí ni gómìnà sọ fún yín?
Gómìnà ò tí ì dá wa lóhùn.
Gómìnà ò tí ì sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Nígbà tí a wá sí secretariat nìbàdàn, àbá gómìnà deputy ló bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ níjọ́ yẹn, deputy ló bá wa sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n láwọn ò jẹ́ fún gómìnà. àti ìrí èsì kankan títí di sí àfi wá tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wáyé.
Okay.
Wọ́n sì ń gbọ́ gbogbo rẹ̀. Ìgbà Sẹ́ríkì ṣe pọ̀ ni wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá.
He said now to when Sheriki himself called governor, now governor come.
So wọn ò wá o,
He
wọ́n
said
ṣẹ̀ wá.
governor. He said now when
A
governor
dẹ̀
just
fẹ́,
come.
a sì ń fẹ́ ìsìn wọn kíákíá.
And he said they
Kó má jẹ́ pé
want
nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀
governor's
yìí,
response.
nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ kó
on
má jẹ́
time.
àpẹẹrẹ ló máa jẹ́.
He said make this
Tí ò
way
bá
happen,
sí
make it not
solution.
just be example, if not solution.
Exactly
then-
lè máa
He
jẹ́.
said this one will just be an example.
Ọmọ
if
ìlú gangan ò
solution.
gbà mọ́.
He said Igogo residents, DJs, they don't want again. They don't want again.
Ìlú ló ń jà òkè bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìkan.
He said no be just one person, na all the Barapa zone, na them dey with one voice, na them dey speak with one voice. So na wetin dem dey talk be that o, na wetin dem dey talk be that. See this one, dem still dey push this man forward say.
Usman Dode Salu Seriki.
He say na Salu Seriki cut this in hand. Yes, so say he need that in hand back. He say he need the hand back. See the hand o, see am, see wetin dem do. Bí ìgbà wo ni kíní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀? So, na so. So, security people, dey strategic places for Igogo where the governor dey, and people sef still dey go about their lawful businesses. You see okadas, dem dey go up and down, dem dey carry people. So, but the major issue na say their farms wey these Fulani people wey dem talk say dem dey destroy. Na be their major issue. You see now, people, some just dey come from farm. Láti ara wa oníròyìn ká tẹ̀lé gọ́fúnà wa so bí ẹ rí bá a sọ nípa náà pé kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bá wọn mú àwọn aráàlú. These are the traditional rulers, but they no wan talk anything. They no wan talk. They say until when Oga governor finish. Say na governor, say since governor dey inside, so they say na governor go address. Say they no fit talk anything. They say they no fit talk anything. So na so